In this video, I'm going to show you how to install CQRLOG on a brand new, freshly installed Lubuntu Linux. This is version 22 LTS, and today is, I don't know what today is, but we are in February 2024. 2024 is the year. So as you can see, I am installing Lubuntu on a virtual machine. It's a brand new install. I'll stop the video and come back when the installation is complete. So, installation is complete. I rebooted the system. The first thing you want to do is to allow the upgrade to take place. So I'll go ahead and apply. It will ask me for a password, which is your password you created when you first install Lubuntu. And I will again pause the video until this initial upgrade is complete, and I'll come back. Okay, so I've rebooted the system after the upgrade. The message at the end of the upgrade has to go ahead and reboot, so that's what I did. I'm going to open a terminal. Qt terminal should be okay, should be enough. And let me see if I can make this bigger, just for the purpose of the video. I'll make it a little bigger actually. If it's too big, I can change the size later. So okay, so the first thing I want to do is sudo apt install Maria DB and Maria DB server. Go ahead and install that. So you will install a bunch of other packages, which is okay. Just agree with it. And next, you want to install CQRLOG. Now this is going to install, I believe it's version 251 or 261, I'm not sure. Let's see, hold on. Let's look at apt search CQRLOG. Actually, it's 252, not so bad. I think it's pretty close to the latest version that they have. Let's go ahead and install then. Sudo apt install CQRLOG. There'll be a number of other items that will be installed along with it, so just go ahead and accept that. And that should do it for now. Let's see if we can run CQRLOG. Not sure where in the menu that's going to install. Probably on the internet. Yeah. This is one thing about Linux. This package is installed anywhere. So, okay, you'll find it on the internet. Run CQRLOG. You want to say yes to this question. This is the first time you run it. It will freeze up for a couple seconds. It appears to be broken. Let's try something. Close this out. They need to move away from MySQL. And it's a constant problem with this program. So let's try sudo apt install. Actually, let me check something out. Apt search MariaDB server core. It's not installed, I think. MariaDB server core. Actually, hold on. That 10.6. Let's try Maria. Let's try CQRLOG again. Not sure if that's gonna do it. I actually did it. Alright, so this video is not about configuration, so I'm not going to configure this in this video. Just wanted to show you the installation. So let's recap what we did. Let's put that on a notepad here. So the first thing we did was sudo apt install MariaDB server. Next we should do sudo apt install MariaDB server core 10.6. And next we should run sudo apt install CQRLOG. Okay, so that's about it, and that should do it for Lubuntu. Let's see. Does it show what version of Lubuntu I'm running? Oh no, that's LXQT. But it is Lubuntu version 22. Hold on, Lubuntu. I'll tell you right now. The version I'm running, and it's the latest version in February 2024. Version 22.04.3 LTS. Okay. And that's it. I will eventually make another video to show how to configure this logger. This is just to install. I hope it's been helpful to you. Bye now. Also, there are a couple of programs you need to install. There's a set of programs that CQRLOG uses to display external files. I believe they use it for external viewing. So it's events. Let me type it here on the screen. Sudo apt install events. What's the other one? I'm looking outside of the VirtualBox right now. EOQ. Okay, EOQ. And last, gedit. EOQ is not there, so let's try apt search. EOQ, maybe it goes by a different name on this. I'm not sure if that's gonna get data from NCBI gene expression omnibus GO. Yeah, you display EOQ because EOQ shows here in the GeoQuery. That's not a good replacement, is it? Let's try to install the other ones, except for EOQ. Golly, there's several other files that get installed with those too, so let's accept that. So let's try to determine what EOQ is, because I don't know what it's used for. Perhaps you already know, but I certainly don't. Let's see, open Mozilla Firefox, which is the default browser in this distribution of Linux, Lubuntu. So, what is EOQ in Linux? I don't think it's economic order quantity. Sounds like an investment thing, but I'm looking for, oh God, Linux EOQ package. I didn't write QOQ, didn't QOP, EOQ. Last world in buffer. Let's see, Ubuntu EOQ package. Trying to cut the chase here. Fine, EOQ. It's not there. EOQ. There's no results. Alright, let me pause the video and try to look for a solution on EOQ. Okay, I'm back, and there's no solution for EOQ because it's not called EOQ, it's called EOG. I just did a search and I look again in my notes and I realize I confused the G with the Q. So let's see if it's on APT search. EOG, there's a bunch of EOGs here. Yeah, here you go. It's there. Alright, so sudo apt install EOG. Okay, so that does it. So installed CQRLOG and Lubuntu 22.3, excuse me, .4.3, which is the LTS version. So if I remember correctly, we did sudo apt install MariaDB server, MariaDB server core -10.6. Then we installed CQRLOG, EOG, events, and one second, let me look outside here. What's the other one? gedit. So that does it. That's it. 73. Take care. Bye bye.